Hi everyone, I'm super happy to see you again on our channel. This is a new video where we're gonna talk about the ultimate smart money concept expert advisor we launched recently. This video will be part of a playlist where we're gonna review together the different parameters and setting of this expert advisor. Meanwhile, don't hesitate to visit our website, traded.net, where you're gonna find a lot of information about our expert advisor, indicators, and signals. You're gonna also find in the product section all the related information of our EA, so user guide and settings that we are sharing publicly there. Let's deep dive. Meanwhile, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and activate the bell button so you can receive future notifications.
Ultimate SMC is the ultimate EA for smart money concept traders that they have strategy and they want to automate. It has plenty of features. We can start by the structure block indicator to define the current structure. We have plenty of other features that we can use in smart money concept, like defining a range, waiting for a sweep of liquidity on it. This range can be defined in time, in last hour, daily range, and so on. You have plenty of entry types, so we can take the OTE, the fair value gap, the inverted fair value gap, the breakers, in addition to be able to trade in premium discount. All of this also can be filtered out by higher time frame filters. So we have 3 different time frames where you're gonna filter for direction, you're gonna filter for premium discount. And the EA also contains the basic information or basic inputs and feature to automate your plan, like where to put my stop loss, what is my risk, where to put my take profit. Do you want I take partial take profit? Do I want to do trading stop? Do I need to stop certain days of the week? So all of this is inside this EA. There's a lot of parameters that we're gonna go through and explain it. One thing you need to understand is don't take this EA and just optimize blindly. You will have plenty of parameters. You will end up with an overfit situation. The best thing that you can do is really have a strategy that works and you want to automate. So you come here, it's the right framework for you. You put your element, you automate, then you can optimize a little, like let me shuffle a little bit my stop loss, my take profit, my risk, and so on. And this will help you basically be profitable. In this example on the screen, let me accelerate a little bit. I'm trading simply a Asian range sweep during a London session, so we can see it. Let me accelerate so we can see the next day. So here the next day started as soon as I have a sweep. So this is the case. I'm entering basically on an inverted fair value gap with a breaker confirmation. So here it's a sell limit. My stop loss is above the high and my take profit is 1, 2, 3 R to R. And basically that's it. It's a strategy that works, that I traded personally manually, and I'm applying in this EA. So that's the idea about the EA. Hope you will find this EA useful for you. That will help you automate your trading plan and so on. Stay tuned. In the rest of the videos of this playlist, we're gonna go through all the inputs, how we're gonna configure them, the advantage of some, the advantage for others, and to see how we can build automated systems. Thanks for following up. Don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the bell button so you can receive any new notification from our side. Thanks a lot.